Greetings from the Philippines. Hi June. Hi Ken. Congratulations both of you. We're all happy in your very special day together with your nephew Buboy and Randall, niece Nina and Lindsay. June, still remember when mamas left us to work in Egypt? You're still kindergarten at that time. I can just imagine that a little boy I was taking care before now finally face the real destiny in life. June, Ken, marriage life is just not only for one day but forever till the end. And let be God is the center of your marriage life. Respect one another. And most of all, love one another. How I wish to join in your very special day, but Almighty doesn't permit me to go. Hope soon we will see each other again. June, Ken, from the bottom of my heart as your ate, I wish you all the best of luck. And to my dear Mama, I miss you and I love you. Take care always and hope to see you soon. Again, June, Ken, congratulations. I love you both. God bless you all. Mwah mwah, chup chup. Okay.